Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all to our today's online class. I am Nargis Akhtar, teacher of class 4, Milestone Preparatory KG School, class 4, sector 7. My dear lovely students, how are you all? By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also fine. Okay, students, can you tell me what was your previous lesson? Yes, short question answer and fill in the blanks from chapter 4, food chapter. Okay, this chapter is very important for us. Why? Because every day we need food. Without food, we can't live, we can't survive. So, first, from this chapter, what we have learned? We have learned so many things from this chapter. First, why do we need food? We need food to grow and survive. We get energy from food. After that, sources of food. There are two sources of food: plant sources and animal sources. Plant sources, different kinds of vegetables, fruits. Animal sources, meat, fish, egg. We also have learned from this chapter about nutrients. There are 6 kinds of nutrients. What are they? Carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, mineral. Along with this, what are also important to our body. From the 6 kinds of nutrients, we have to learn, according to your book, about vitamin and protein. Upper class, we have to learn rest of the nutrients. Now, we have learned from this chapter about vitamin. There are mainly six kinds of vitamin. We have to learn about the vitamin chart also. Sources, functions, deficiency diseases from this chapter. We also have learned from this chapter importance of nutrients and protein. So, why do we need protein? Protein replaces our body to grow and recover. There are also 2 groups of protein: plant group and animal group. We also have learned from this chapter about food group. There are 6 food groups and food group chart also. Balanced diet, and last from this chapter we have learned about food plate. This food plate also very important for our daily life. We should follow it. Now, today I have to discuss from the chapter, food chapter, broad question answer and creative broad question answer. For your term and exam and MT exam, it is very important. So, my dear students, be attentive and listen to me properly. Okay, let's go to our today's lesson. Okay, students, you have to take your copy and write it in your CW copy. Are you ready? With your big book, copy and pen. Okay. CW number 26, chapter 4, food. Write it in your CW copy, discussion on broad question answer, that means short form BQA, and CBQ, that means creative broad question answer of chapter 4. Today I have to discuss about this one. Write it in your CW copy properly. Now, broad question answer. Number 1. So, what is the question? What is balanced diet? And why is a balanced diet important? Explain it. Again, I am telling what is balanced diet, and question is why is a balanced diet important? Okay. So can you tell me what is balanced diet? Yes, you can get the answer from your book, page number 31. Okay, so what is balanced diet? A balanced diet is necessary to keep our body healthy. A balanced diet is a diet that contains adequate amount of all necessary nutrients in order to keep our body healthy. We should take balanced diet every day. Now, let's see the answer of balanced diet. Again, I am telling the definition. Listen to me properly. A balanced diet is a diet that contains adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients. What is the meaning of adequate? Adequate means sufficient. Sufficient amount of all the necessary nutrients in order to keep our body healthy. Balanced diet is important for our health. Why? Let's see the answer. Yes, it contains adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients. Already earlier I told you there are how many groups of nutrients, how many kinds of nutrients? 6 kinds of nutrients. So balanced diet contains all the necessary nutrients properly. What are the nutrients? Carbohydrate, protein, fat, mineral, water, vitamin and this one. Number 2, it is necessary to keep our body healthy. To keep our body healthy and strong, we need to take balanced diet. To prevent different types of deficiency, we need balanced diet also. That means if we not all the necessary nutrients properly, we may get different kinds of diseases. So by taking this kind of balanced diet to prevent different types of deficiency, we need balanced diet. My dear students, this one is clear? You have learned this chapter in first term. Okay? Again, you are learning this chapter. Why? Because this chapter will be included into your third term syllabus. And question also come from this chapter. Whatever broad question, whatever short question. Now, question number 2. Make a chart of type, source, function and deficiency of vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. Before going to discuss this chart, I have to discuss what is vitamin, why it is important. Vitamins help make our body work properly. Vitamins strengthen our immune system. It supports growth and help our body parts such as eyes and bones can do their job properly. Okay, there are mainly how many kinds of vitamin? 6 types of vitamin. What are they? Vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. That means vitamin A, start from A and go up to your alphabet letter D, E. And after that, include number K. That means K. So, what is the name of vitamin? Vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. These are 6 types of vitamin. Vitamin B is also very important. Why? Vitamin B is made up of different types of vitamin that is called vitamin B complex. Why? Question may come from here also. Why vitamin B is called vitamin B complex? Because vitamin B is made up of different types of vitamin together. That one is called vitamin B complex. Vitamins are found in foods like vegetables, fruits, meat, fish, and dairy product. We are not getting the vitamin from your fast food. From where we are getting vitamin? Especially different kinds of vegetables, fruits, meat, fish, and dairy products. Okay, so we should eat fruits and vegetables in a proper amount of your food plate. Okay, now I have to discuss about the type, sources, function and deficiency of vitamin are given below. Number A. So sources from your book, page number 29, you can get the answer. And from here, broad question may come. How broad question may come? There are 6 types of vitamin and their sources, functions and deficiencies. Question may come, write about the vitamin A, B, C. Their functions, sources and deficiency diseases. Okay, along with D also. Okay, but we have to learn this vitamin chart properly, because this chart is very, very important. Broad question already you got. Creative broad question, short question, AP and matching will come from this chapter. Especially short question also will come from this chart. Okay, now go for your vitamin A. What are the sources? You know, it is very easy. Carrot, spinach, pumpkin, small fish, milk, egg, yolk, etc. Functions. The functions is very, very important. It helps for proper vision. So, do you know what is proper vision? Vision means able to see or eyesight. If you take these kinds of food every day, your eyesight will be improved. That means it helps for proper vision. Okay, that means proper vision means ability to see. Healthy skin. Yes, by eating these kinds of food, our skin will be healthy and fresh, strong teeth and healthy immune system. Okay, my dear students, can you tell me what is immune system? Immune system is a system that protects the body from foreign substances or pathogenic organism. That means simply you can say it is a power of our body. By immune systems, we can protect from the body from foreign substances and pathogenic organisms also. Okay, now deficiencies is night blindness. Okay, that means those who can get this kind of diseases, he or she can able to see at day but can't able to see at night. Okay, now let's go for your vitamin B. Whole grain dairy product, no need to say fish, green vegetables are the sources. Then function, it helps body make energy. Okay, we can get energy from vitamin B. And what are the diseases? Beriberi, mouth ulcer and anemia. Okay, so what is the disease of beriberi? You know, beriberi, mouth ulcer and anemia. Anemia, what is anemia? Anemia, lack of healthy red blood cells. Lack of red blood cells. Okay, now go for vitamin C. Sources, fruits such as guava, amloki, oranges, lemon, vegetables. Okay, you know, now functions, it also strengthens our immune system, keeps body working and developing properly. And what are the deficiency diseases? Scurvy, diseases of gum. Scurvy and diseases of gum. Now, vitamin D. Source fatty fish, egg yolk, sunlight. Vitamin D also very important for us, especially for our child. It is important in the growth and maintenance of strong bone. Okay, and rickets and osteomalacia are the diseases of deficiency disease due to lack of vitamin D. Okay, so what is rickets? Rickets is softening and weakening of the bones, especially in the children. Osteomalacia also is one kind of bone disease. Is it? Okay. Now vitamin E. Vegetable oil, almonds, liver, etc. are the sources. Functions: it protects all blood cells from damage, and deficiency disease, muscle weakness and slow growth. Vitamin K, green leafy vegetables, okra and soybean. What is okra? Lady's finger. Function: it helps our body to stop the bleeding. It is the function. Liver disease and poor blood clotting are the diseases due to lack of vitamin K. Okay. Question number 3. What is protein? What are the sources of protein? Explain about this one. Okay, my dear students, you will get the answer from page number 30. From page number 30. So, what is protein? Protein are used to replace, repair and grow our bodies. We can get proteins from plant and animal food. Already earlier I told you protein comes from the plant sources is called plant protein. That means there are two groups of protein, plant protein and animal protein. Those proteins come from plant is called plant protein, and those proteins are come from animal is called animal protein. So plant protein, what are the examples of plant protein? Peas, pas, nut, bean seeds are the sources of plant protein. And animal protein, meat, feed, a fish, egg and dairy product are the examples of animal protein. Let's go to the answer. Okay, so mainly two groups of protein, plant protein and animal protein. You can see the answer on the screen. Already you got this answer as your broad question answer. Okay, learn it properly. This question answer is very easy. Oh, picture of plant protein and animal protein. You can easily understand. Okay, peas, there are chopped plant-based protein, animal protein. Already I told you the examples of animal protein. Question number 4. Explain the best way to get enough nutrients. Explain, again I am telling, explain the best way to get enough nutrients. Okay, so from which number page you will get the answer? From your book, page number 30. Nutrients are very important for our body. Lack of nutrients may cause different types of diseases such as night blindness, mouth ulcer, rickets. Already we have learned from this from our vitamin chart. All of the food belongs to 6 food groups in order to get healthy, and you can learn this food group from page number 32. We should eat proper amount of food from each of these. We can get all nutrients from variety of foods in each of these food groups. Balanced diet contains adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients. Okay, these all are the importance of we can get the enough nutrients. Question number 5. How many food groups are there? Write 5 sentences about food groups. How many food groups are there? 5 sentences about food groups. So from your book, we can get the answer from page number 31 to 32. 31 to 32. All the food groups are, how many food groups? 6 food groups. Okay. In your book, you can see the chart also. You have to learn this chart also from your book because short question may come from the chapter. Okay. How many food groups are there? Grain and potato, vegetables, fruits, meat and beans, milk and dairy product, oil and fat. These are the 6 food groups. Okay. And main nutrients, that means these 6 food groups contain which kind of nutrients also you will learn from your book, page number 32. There is food group chart. And which sports are which sports we can get this kind of food groups, so we have to learn also from the chart. Okay, now let's go for your answer of this question about food group. Okay, page number 31. All the food belongs to 6 food groups. In order to get healthy life, we should eat proper amount of food from each of these food groups. We can get all the nutrients from variety of food in each of the food groups. Balanced diet contains adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients. We can select balanced diet easily from available and reasonable variety of food groups. That means when we have to select about the select the balanced diet, we have to select the food, each of the food from food groups. Okay, that's why we have to learn these food groups properly. Okay, in the picture also you can see 6 kinds of food groups: grain, then fruits, vegetables, then meat, and then oil and fat, milk and dairy product also. Okay. Now, creative broad question answer. So, my dear students, don't be worried about this one. Okay, because if you read the chapter properly, then you can easily to give the answer of creative broad question answer. Okay, so my dear students, you have to read the chapter properly. Okay, each and every word, each and every sentence. Okay, now go for your question number 1. Rahul can see at day but cannot see at night. What is the name of this disease? Again, I am telling, Rahul can see at day but cannot see at night. What is the name of this disease? From which vitamin deficiency cause it? Write the sources and functions of that vitamin. Students, look here. For this question, there are 3 parts. First one is, what is the name of this disease? Second part is, for which vitamin deficiency cause it? And third part is, write the sources and functions of this vitamin. Okay? Okay. Now, let's see the answer. Can you tell me what is the name of this disease? Yes. This disease name is night blindness. For which vitamin deficiency cause it? Vitamin A deficiency cause it. We have learned it from our vitamin chart, page number 29. Write the sources and functions. Let's see the answer. Okay, so the name of this disease is night blindness. For vitamin A deficiency cause it. Already I told you. Now let's sources. So you have to write the answer like this way. Step by step you have to read the question and you have to give the answer properly according to the step of the question. Okay. Now sources. What are the sources of vitamin A? Already we have find out it is the deficiency diseases of vitamin A. So that's why you have to write the sources of vitamin A. Carrot, spinach, pumpkin, small fish, milk, egg yolk. These are the sources of vitamin A. Now go for your functions. Functions, it helps for proper vision. Earlier I told you what is proper vision. To able to see, that means eyesight, healthy skin and strong teeth, healthy immune system. These are the functions of vitamin A. Now let's see the diseases. Yes, you can see. That means the boy at night, the boy is falling down. Why? Because at night he can't see. Okay, this disease is called night blindness. Question number 2. Siam likes to eat fast food like you. Most of our lovely students, you also like to eat fast food, but doesn't like to eat vegetables and fruits also. No, it should not be held. But his mother showed a food plate. What is food plate? Write 5 sentences about it. Okay, so again I am telling the questions. They are like to eat fast food but does not like to eat vegetables and fruits. His mother showed a food plate. What is food plate? Write 5 sentences about a food plate. Okay, from here you can get the answer from page number 32. From page number 32. Okay, so food plates is very important for us. Food plate is very important. Okay, the answer. You will get the answer from page number 32. The food plate helps us to make sure we get all the nutrients we need each meal. So the size of the proportion in the plate suggested the amount of food we should eat. For example, we should eat vegetables and fruits half of our plate. Okay, my dear students, we should also drink plenty of water and can choose oil and fat in a small amount of group. That means we should eat vegetables and fruit half of our plate. Okay, and we should also drink plenty of water, and we should also choose oil and food groups in small amount. Okay, now in your book you can see the figure of a food plate. You must practice at your home. If the question will come in your term end exam or whatever empty exam, you must draw the figure. Okay, you must draw the figure. Okay, so that's why you have to practice this figure at your home. Okay, now let's see. You can see food plate. Okay, so from food plate, again I am telling we should eat vegetables and fruits half of our plate compared than other food groups. Okay, so we should follow it. Clear, my dear students? Now let's see a video and enjoy it.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Drink milk every day. Don't eat chocolates. It will decay your teeth. Always eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Always wash your hands before eating.
That means you have to drink a glass of milk every day, and along with this you should eat different kinds of fruits and vegetables also. Okay, my dear students, in HW number 8, you have to write it. So, what about your HW? Write creative broad question answer number 1. What is the question? Already you got. So, this is the question and you have to write the answer and you have to post it in your particular Facebook group. That means in your section's Facebook group. Okay. Okay. My dear students, up to this one, today our class is over. Inshallah, very soon we will meet together and Assalamu alaikum. Again, so thank you all